Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a little demonstration of some fun code. I've created a little function here to import time to create effectively a timestamp using minutes and seconds so that when I run this, I will get a new diagram. Here's some of the code I've picked and parked from around the web. I have used, I'm using headlines here, which is randomized. And here are the titles of the plot. And here is another randomized function, which I'm using for random uniform for a float. And I print the results of or rather return the results so that I can use for my mu and sigma. And so when I generate this, you'll see I've got a variable, I've got a time, and here's the title, which I've said already is random. So when I control F9 this, you'll see that I get a new variable at the top with, or rather a new title. And you can see I've got a little bit of a problem down there with the titling or with the subtext, but variable is there. And every time I run this, I will get a new number or a new plot, which is also gets a new title. So you'll notice on the left over here, I've got a bunch of new files that have been timestamped, so it makes it easier for me to find them. All right, thanks for watching. And if you're curious as to why this could be fun, well, if you've ever watched the news, you always have some sort of talking head who is talking about graphs and charts. It's all a bunch of hoo-ha. So much fun that you can create your own length, or rather number of lies told during the news. And of course, it's not necessarily going to give us a new graph, but you can see with a little bit of random fun, you can certainly create a lot of discussion material. Thanks for watching and happy computing.